Welcome to this quick guide on how to find all tagged photos and videos on the Facebook app using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've ever been tagged in posts and struggled to locate them later, Facebook has made it easier, but the steps are a bit hidden. Let's walk through it together. First, open Facebook on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Go ahead and select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything related to your account. Now that you're inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand more options. Next, find and click on activity you're tagged in. This section is specifically designed to show content where other people have tagged you. After opening it, you'll see different categories. Choose photos and videos you're tagged in. And that's it, you'll now see a complete list of all the photos and videos where your account has been tagged. From here, you can review each post, remove tags if needed, or manage your visibility settings. It's a great way to keep your profile clean and control what others can see about you. This updated layout may look different at first, but once you know where to go, it becomes very simple to manage your tagged content. Give it a try and take control of your tagged posts today.